been a lot going on lately. One of the last videos I started off and I told you I was going to sell the open car trailer. So over the weekend, I sold the open car trailer and started working out a lot of the deals, working with a gentleman down in Georgia, trying to figure out if I was going to have a trailer delivered, where the trailer was going to come from. But ultimately, I knew that I wanted an enclosed trailer. So I went a couple days, no trailer, and we picked up this beauty I'm going to show you here. So a lot to come. We'll walk you through the steps, and let's go ahead and get started. What I'm attempting to show you is this wide open space of a garage that I now have back. So last night whenever I got home, I immediately tried to load everything up into the trailer so that way I could figure out where I needed to attach E-tracks and X-tracks. So that's the first thing. I went to Northern Tool, picked up a bunch of different accessories. So expect some videos on how to install E-tracks in an enclosed trailer. Alright guys, so with that little cinematic approach there, it gives you a pretty good look. It's a 24-foot Anvil. It's a 3,500 pound axle, 7,000 gross vehicle weight rating. I've got about 3,500 pounds of cargo that I can add. So I've got a couple clips and I'm going to show you the inside here. And ultimately I like it. It's got the LED package. It's this cement gray color, RV door, locks, a little flip out on the rear. I'm going to add some tie downs as I mentioned, but everything's hooked up. It's getting ready. We'll be able to do a few more track events, take everything out, be a lot more comfortable while we're out traveling, and should be a lot of fun. So let's go ahead and head inside and I'll show you the trailer and we'll get started. All right, so right now I've got the Civic in here. I've got the four-wheeler in the front. And the plan is that basically where the car is, we're going to tie it down. We're going to utilize the existing D-rings that were added from the factory. The car may be able to scoot back just a fuzz, but amongst that, harness is all in now. You guys haven't seen that. We've got a little bit of room to get around, so we're going to tie off the four-wheeler here. I'm going to add an X-track in the floor in the front. We're going to have on both of these walls, we're going to have an E-track going vertical. Same thing here. And then we're going to have another, probably a 6-foot section down through here. So ultimately the front three corners will end up with plenty of tie down capability. So toolbox, generator, air compressor, tire rack up top, generator, air compressor below, and the four-wheeler being able to tie down here. This side over here will also give us capability to put like the canopy, chairs, things of that nature that need to go up against the wall. And then I can always add down the sides if needed. But 24-foot does work. I had my suspicions. I was a little concerned. I don't have enough pickup. What I was saying is I don't have enough pickup truck to be able to pull a lot of trailer. It's an F-150 3.5 EcoBoost. It's rated to tow like 13,000 pounds, but the weight of the truck doesn't really pull a ton of weight very well. So this is about what I'm comfortable with. Should be good for all of our track events here to come. And should work for me. So guys, if you haven't already, go over on Instagram, follow me, SethChurchVid. I'm working on a graphic. It's going to go down the entire side here, and it's going to have my logo. And then I want to have some of the guys that I work with and partner with down here in hashtags. It's going to be a super sweet setup. I'm not sure what the actual business name is, so I'm going to wait until I'm 100% confident before I give anybody a shout out. But a young lady by the name of Kelsey has been super helpful in making all this possible. So we'll include some of her information as I do the reveal. So guys, that wraps up the video. I just wanted to give you an update midweek. Got a trailer, we've got to get it upfitted. You'll probably see some of these cargo X-Track stuff videos come. Not sure in what order, but this weekend, Bristol Street Fights, expect some content from there. We're taking the whole setup, got some friends coming out. It should be a pretty good event. A couple class races that we may be able to get involved in. Car's running good, so we're going to keep getting out there, and appreciate all the support, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe. Make sure you give this video a like, and leave me a comment. Do you think I bought a good trailer? Did I buy the right trailer? Does it look good? We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.